the Science Masterclass. Today we're going to learn about rock formation. We're going to focus on igneous rock today. My name is Mr. Salagaris. This is part of my Year 8 Science Geology course. Okay, so there's three main groups of rocks. The first is igneous, the second is sedimentary, and then the next is metamorphic. So igneous rocks are formed when magma and lava from a volcanic eruption cools and solidifies, okay? So solidifies means turns from a liquid into a solid. Magma can be over 1,200 degrees when it's beneath the Earth's surface. So there's two types of igneous rocks which we're going to talk about today. The first is intrusive and then the second is extrusive. I've drawn a little diagram which I'm going to refer to a couple of times in this video to help you understand the difference between the two. So let me just talk about this diagram quickly. It's a cross-section of the Earth when you've got magma beneath it. We've got a magma chamber here. We've got an intrusive igneous rock formation here. We've got the volcano just here. And then we've got some extrusive rock around the top of the volcano and down towards the surface of the Earth just there. So that's going to make sense in a second. Let's talk about intrusive igneous rock. So they form very slowly beneath the surface of the Earth when magma is trapped. Sometimes this could take up to 1,000 years or so for it to occur. Because of that really slow cooling underground, it creates larger rock crystals which are interlocked. So we know when crystals are interlocked in rocks, it means that they're very hard or solid. Granite's a form of that intrusive igneous rock. Okay, the uses of granite are in things like bench tops in kitchens because it's difficult to scratch. This intrusive igneous rock can come to the surface of the Earth when the surface is eroded or there's forces beneath it pushing it up. So you can see with these arrows here, it represents the movement of the lava here, but also of the intrusive igneous rock towards the surface. So it might be that the surface here was eroded and then this igneous rock would be exposed. Okay. Now let's look at the extrusive igneous rock. You can see the difference, well you'll be able to see the difference soon, is that this is beneath the surface and extrusive is above the surface. It's a bit of a tongue twister trying to say those two words. Extrusive forms a lot quicker when it's above the Earth's surface because it can cool quicker. Small crystals or no crystals are formed due to that quick cooling process. So sometimes you might get small crystals, which mean that the rock is more brittle, it's less solid than intrusive igneous rock. Pumice is an example of that really quick cooling rock, which is formed when the gas-filled lava cools incredibly quickly. It actually creates no crystals, so it means that the rock is really lightweight and there's lots of holes in it. It's even light enough to float on water. So the uses, you might have heard of it before, can be used to scour hard skin and also used in cleaning products. Hey, let's summarize our main points today. We talked about the two types of igneous rock. We talked about extrusive and intrusive. So we'll look at that diagram again. Intrusive means beneath, extrusive means above the Earth's surface. One's quick, one's cool, and they both have different crystal structures. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, go back and watch it again if there's a point that you missed.